Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add stripe button in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see search widget. So right here stripe. Now you see stripe button. Now drag and drop here like this. Now you see button is added and then you see pricing and payment. For this widget to work, you need to set your Stripe API key in the integration setting. Now click on it. Now scroll down in Stripe section. You see we already added live secret key. Now you see validate live API key. So click on it. Now you see validation done. Back to Elementor page. Now you see product name. So you can add product name according to your requirement. So we added product name weight loss and then you see currency USD. Drop down select. So you can select according to your requirement and then you see product price 20 and then you see quantity 1. So if you want, you can increase or decrease quantity according to your requirement. And then you see shipping price. If you want, you can set it. Tax rate, drop down none. To manage these options, go to your Stripe account, product, tax rate and then you see button. So click on it. Now you see tax, buy now and then you see alignment, icon library. So click on it. So you can select icon according to your requirement. Now close and then you see icon position before tax, after tax and then you see icon spacing. Now scroll up, you see style. So click on it and then you see button, typography, text color, background type, our color. So you can set color scheme according to your requirement and then you see advanced. So click on it. So you can set margin and padding. Now click on update. Now update done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see buy now button for Stripe. So click on it. Now you see Stripe checkout, weight loss. Now you see $20. So you can fill the information and then pay. So in this way you can add Stripe button in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.